Hello friends, welcome to AI Medical School. So in this video we are going to talk about diazepam drug, which is belong to the class of benzodiazepine. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe to it and like the video. So let's start. The objectives of the video is overview, indication, contraindication, side effects and brands. So let's start with overview. Diazepam belongs to a class of medicine called benzodiazepine. Diazepam is a medicine which helps to control the feelings of anxiety. The benzodiazepine are most widely used anxiolytic drug. The benzodiazepine are more effective and safer. They have largely replaced barbiturate and meprobamate in the treatment of anxiety. Diazepam is also used in reducing muscle tone and opacity and as an anticonvulsant. Opacity means contraction, and it can help to relieve to the muscle spasm. Diazepam should use for the short period of the time possible, otherwise diazepam can cause tolerance and dependence and even withdrawal symptoms in some people. The effect of diazepam may last for a few hours or even days after stopping having it. Now the indications are: diazepam is primarily indicated in the condition like agitation, alcohol withdrawal, anxiety, chloroquine overdose, dyspnea associated with anxiety in palliative care, hyperexhaustion, insomnia, minor surgery and medical procedure, acute muscle spasm in palliative care, muscular spasm and partial seizures, pre-medication, sedaction in induction, severe acute anxiety, tetanus, tonic-clonic seizures. So these are the indications of diazepam. Diazepam is also used in treatment of acute migraine attacks and can also be given in adjunctive therapy as an alternative drug of choice in acute diarrhea, all forms of epilepsy, bone pain in neoplastic disease, hyperkalemia of Magellan's, influenza A, and muscle spasm of variatology, myoclonus prevention and treatment of corticosteroid-induced osteoporosis. Now the indications are: diazepam is indicated in the condition like myasthenia gravis. Now the important part of the video is side effects. Diazepam produces potentially life-threatening effects which included blood decreases, respiratory arrest, cardiac arrest, which are responsible for the discontinuation of diazepam therapy. The signs and symptoms that are produced after the acute overdoses of diazepam including apnea, coma, drowsiness, confusion, reduced reflex, cardiorespiratory depression. The symptomatic adverse reaction produced by diazepam are more or less tolerable, and if they become severe, they can be treated symptomatically. These include dizziness, headache, fatigue, excitement, insomnia, constipation, skin rash, tachycardia, and nausea, anxiety, urinary retention, muscle weakness, and impairment of memory, pain at junction site, fatigueness, and hypotension, poor appetite. So these are the side effects of diazepam. Now the warnings are: perform periodic blood count and liver function tests during long-term therapy with diazepam. Diazepam should be used with caution in patients if increased salivation causes respiratory difficulty, because it may produce an increased salivation. Give least amount of drug to the patient whom depression accompanies anxiety and suicidal tendencies may be present. It should be used with caution in patients with aspirin hypersensitivity, because it may cause allergic reaction including bronchial asthma. Now the high risk groups. Drugs should not be given to the pregnant mother and neonate. If prescribing authority justify the benefits of the drug against the possible damage, he or she should evaluate them and consult the reference material and previous studies. Now the dosage. Adult dose 2 to 10 mg, single dose 6 mg, frequency 12 hour, and route is oral, IM and IV. Neonatal dose is 0.2 to 0.3 milligram per kilogram. Single dose is 0.25 milligram per kilogram, and frequency is as recommended. Route is slow IV, and pediatric dose is 0.2 to 0.3 milligram. Single dose 0.25, and frequency as recommended. Route is slow IV. Now the brand. Diazepam's brand name is Valium. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video, and I really appreciate your love and support. Keep supporting AI Medical School, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, and see you guys in my next video. So take care. Bye bye.